This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving boards, specifically these Acacia serving boards. We have a few styles here. There is a 12-inch round, and you can see this one comes with beautiful bark edges and actually has great little feet on the bottom, giving it just a tiny bit of elevation and making it easy to grab. And this one comes in multiple sizes. And we have a great oval here. This one is approximately 8 inches wide by 20 inches long. And you can see it's got a nice smooth finish on it for a beautiful effect. And then we've got a lovely rectangle. So it's a nice long, generous wood plank that features a lovely bark edge on one side. And it's about 22 3/4 by 7 inches deep. These are all made for food service, and they're made with a food-safe varnish. They feature things like these great, lovely, beautiful wood grain patterns and rustic bark edges. They're perfect for things like cheese boards, charcuterie spreads, the presentation of appetizers, or even mini little desserts. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you have a lot of options. And just to keep in mind, since these are cut out of actual trees, especially the round and oval slices, that they might not be perfectly round or oval, and there might be some variation to the diameter and the measurements on these. The acacia wood is naturally durable for long-lasting use and can really stand up to use in heavy environments. So they're perfect to use in restaurants, cheese and wine shops, for caterers who are doing a variety of different kinds of events, especially if you're looking for something to give a little warmth or a little bit of that rustic flair, or just for entertaining at home to set up an impressive spread for your friends and family.